how to comment photo on a TikTok. Want to comment right here, you can tap on comments, and from here you can write any comments. So you have to know that you cannot make an original photo or a video comment, but you can reply to the comments with a photo or a video. So in order to do that, let's say if I want to reply to this comment right here, if I go right here and tap on reply, here you can see this video icon right here, and if you tap on it, it will get you to your video section. You can either make a video as a reply, or you can just tap on photo and simply take a photo message or reply to the comment like so. Or you can even choose from your gallery right here. If you tap here, your gallery will open and you can choose a photo from there, and just simply tap on the photo and it says post for everyone that can view your post. So you can change the settings as per your preference, and after that you just tap on this tick and you are good to go. You will reply the comment with a photo, and that's how you can comment a photo on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.